A local AI meeting assistant went viral again because the promise is simple. Capture the meeting, transcribe the call, and summarize the notes without sending the whole conversation to a cloud note-taker. That is the claim in Tom Doerr's post, and the source points straight to Meetily. But this is not another generic setup video. We already covered Meetily on the channel, so this follow-up answers the sharper question. What actually runs locally? What still depends on your model choice? And can the open source version replace something like Otter for private meeting notes? Start with the source. The X post says Meetily captures, transcribes, and summarizes meetings entirely locally. The attached screenshot is the GitHub repo. The repo is called Zacria Solutions/Meetily. At capture time, it had more than 11,700 stars, more than 1,000 forks, an MIT license, and a latest release tagged version 0.3.0. The repo description is direct. Meetily is a privacy-first AI meeting assistant for macOS and Windows, built around local transcription, meeting capture, summaries, and optional AI providers. The release page ships a macOS DMG and Windows installers. Linux is handled by building from source. The important part is the architecture. The desktop app is built with Towery, so the interface is a Next.js and React front-end wrapped by Rust. The recording path is handled locally. The project docs describe Rust audio capture, Whisper-based transcription, storage, and a summarization layer. That means the raw meeting and the transcript can stay on your machine. The source also makes the summary path more nuanced. The README and website say you can use local models through Ollama or connect providers like Claude, Grok, OpenRouter, or an OpenAI-compatible endpoint. The site also mentions hosted AI as an option. So the honest version is this. Transcription and recordings are local. Summaries are local only if you pick the local route. If you use a cloud model or hosted summary option, the transcript can leave the device for that step. That distinction matters because privacy tools often get marketed as if every part is local by default. Meetily is better than that because the repo and website tell you where the boundary is. The safer package is local Whisper for transcription, local Ollama for summaries, and local storage for the meeting data. Now look at the official demo. The app starts in a listening state. A floating recording control sits at the bottom of the window. As the sample meeting plays, the transcript grows line by line. This is the core proof moment. It is not just a finished notes page. The demo shows the transcript building while the meeting audio is happening. After that, the demo moves into the notes workflow. There is a generate notes control, an AI model control, a template menu, and save and copy actions. The template list includes practical formats like daily stand-up, product status update, agile retrospective, client sales meeting, and standard meeting notes. The generated output includes structured sections like key decisions and action items. That is the part that can actually replace a cloud note-taker for some users. You do not just want a transcript. You want decisions, owners, tasks, and a summary you can paste into the place where work happens next. The README GIFs add a second workflow. Meetily can import an existing audio file. The import modal shows language detection, translation to English, manual language choices, and a Whisper model selection. Then the app transcribes the audio in segments and opens the resulting transcript. The source frames clearly prove the import and transcription path. They do not clearly prove a completed export in that GIF, so we should not overclaim that from the visual alone. The pricing and product split are also worth being precise about. The Community Edition is presented as free and open source, with core transcription, AI summaries, audio import, and retranscription. The Pro page says Pro is $10 per user per month when billed yearly, with a 14-day trial and no credit card required. Pro adds hosted AI credits, custom connectors, templates, advanced exports, Windows GPU support, and priority support. So who is Meetily actually for? If you are taking sensitive calls, legal notes, healthcare notes, founder calls, investor calls, or internal planning meetings, the appeal is obvious. A bot does not have to join the meeting. The tool captures system audio from your device, like screen recording. That is useful, but it also means you need to follow your local recording laws and company consent rules. Private does not mean permissionless. For a solo user, the open source version is interesting because it avoids another monthly meeting note subscription. For a technical team, the self-hosted angle is more important. You can inspect the code, choose the model path, and keep the data boundary under your control. For a non-technical user, the trade-off is setup and hardware. Local transcription and local summaries are not magic. They need disk, memory, model downloads, and the right OS path. My verdict is this. Meetily is not just a repo with a privacy tagline. The official assets show a real product flow: listening, live transcript, note generation, templates, and import from audio. The claim that meetings can stay local is credible when you choose local transcription and local summaries. The claim gets weaker when you pick cloud summarization, hosted AI, or an external API provider. That is the decision point. If your main problem is convenience, Otter or Fireflies may still be easier. If your main problem is control, data sovereignty, and not putting every meeting into someone else's cloud, Meetily deserves a serious look. Links to the source post, repo, official demo, downloads, and pricing page are in the description. If you want a deeper follow-up, comment with your operating system and the summary route you want tested. Ollama local, bring your own API key, or hosted AI.